how to enable subscriptions on Instagram. So if you want to enable subscriptions on Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile option, and make sure that you have the professional dashboard, which means make sure that you have a professional account. If you don't have, you need to switch to your professional account. Once you switch your account to a professional account, then you need to tap on edit profile, which is on the left side, and you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of action button. So if you have the option of action button, you just need to simply tap on it, and you will have an option of subscriptions. So you need to go and enable that option. But in my case, or in my region, it's not available because I don't have much followers. But if you have a minimum 1,000 followers, then you will have the option of subscription button. You just need to simply go and toggle it on, and after that your subscriptions will be enabled. So that's how you can enable subscriptions on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.